I want you to think of your mind like a garden. A garden requires care, attention, and effort. If you don't tend to it, weeds will grow, and those weeds will choke out the plants you want to grow. But if you're diligent, if you pull the weeds, if you water the plants, if you give the garden the attention it needs, it will flourish. Your mind is the same way. If you don't take care of it, if you don't pay attention to what's growing in there, negativity, doubt, and fear will take root. But if you're diligent, if you're intentional about what you plant in your mind, if you cultivate thoughts of positivity, belief, and possibility, your mind will flourish. You'll see the results in your life. Your relationships will improve. Your career will take off. Your sense of well-being will skyrocket. But it all starts with controlling your mind. You have to be the gardener. You have to be the one to decide what gets planted and what gets uprooted. And that takes work. It takes discipline. It takes effort. But I promise you, the rewards are worth it. So what's the first step? How do you begin to take control of your mind? It starts with a decision. You have to decide that you're going to be in control, that you're not going to let your mind run the show anymore. You have to make a commitment to yourself that you're going to do the work necessary to train your mind.